Hi there, guys. I'm Reed from the 10-second channel, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can play Subway Surfers on your PC without downloading it. And it's an absolutely epic way if you're a fan of Subway Surfers. And with that being said, we'll start. So, just letting you know, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And with that being said, let's begin. So first, I'm gonna go on my Chrome tab, and I've made a bookmark over here, and I'll send you the link in the description box. So it's https://www.kiloo.com and then slash subway dash surfer slash. So I'm just gonna click on the bookmark there since I've already saved it, and then so it's gonna redirect you first, and just letting you know that first off, it's gonna ask you for your age. Since I've already played before, it won't ask me for your age, so you just need to set your age up. And then basically, if you haven't um used it before, it's just gonna like do that MP thing. Actually, it doesn't whenever you try to play Subway Surfers. And this is unblocked. This is the official site of Kiloo, which is the maker of Subway Surfers. So alongside that, so yeah, we've got them redirected. We have Subway Surfers Atlanta. As you can see, it's a pretty big screen, which is nice. You have my tool. You just need to use your mouse to get yourself to anything. You can choose music, sound effects, language, etc. And then and then you also just have to use the space key to play. And I'll show you all the keys in another video. Then you have me, and you can choose all of your designs and the soft, etc. So you can choose your boards, and it's just like the normal one you would see. You can select your boards. You can also select your characters, boards, awards, and yeah. So then you have top run and soft. So you just need to click on space. Now I'll show you how to play. You have to use the up arrow key, the one which points up, to jump over any hurdle or jump across frames. You have to use the down arrow key in order to roll or slide down the hurdles. You need to use the left and right arrow keys to change your direction. And then once you get started playing, after you press the space key, you can also use the space key to have hoverboards, like to activate a hoverboard. So yeah, it's pretty easy, but I haven't gotten so accustomed to it, so I might fail in a round of this. But anyway, I'll give it a try. So I have zero hoverboards. I'll, oh yeah, wait, just a second. I clicked on that information thing, and it's just redirected me. So so basically, you'll just see this loading thing since I've just sort of reloaded the game, and it's just lagging a bit. So we'll just get out of there. Oh, sorry guys, it's just loading again. So just a few seconds. Yeah, so It's just exactly the same as you would play it on your mobile or tablet. It has the tips, etc. So yeah, now that it's calm, let's start playing. So I'm gonna press my space key. So now it's gonna start again. Uh, I don't know what's wrong over here. It's just a connection issue at my end, so you'll be all fine. Sometimes ads are gonna come like this, so you just need to skip the ad. Just click on that. So yeah, now just click on resume to resume your game. Okay, so now that we've gotten started, so I click right to go there, and then I'll just jump with the arrow key. I'm just gonna use my key. It was just lagging, so I got confused. Yeah, sorry, I'm pretty bad. I'll have to play a new round. So yeah, you have the scores, double up, and then me. And so yeah, this is a perfect way in case you don't have a phone and you're a big fan of Subway Surfers. So you could just play this. Plus, okay, so yeah, you can just buy hoverboards and etc. So yeah, as I said, I'm pretty bad, but you'll get used to the arrow keys soon. Apart from that, there's a big screen which is a benefit of this, and then you can change outfits, your boards, etc. So yeah guys, I hope you like this video. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you then later.